Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name is Josh and today I'm going to show you how to use Fred's stray light tool. So I've already run my advanced ray trace, but all that's happening is that we're running the rays through the observer piece and then they're coming out the observation end onto a detector surface. So to access the stray light report, all I'm going to do is click on the Tools tab, mouse over Reports, and select Stray Light Report. And here this is showing the scatter paths of all the stray light that is hitting our detector surface. And as well as that, we are able to see the first surface that it is scattering off of. We can do the same thing by clicking up here for specular paths. And here we can see the specular path rays as well as the surface that they are being reflected off of. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.